And they are going to show some people say yes, and this politically. So already I say it is politically unwise. Say after 2 years to election, move a message be my position and can bet me on oppose. Now come on become one boom. No matter formidable force, no. But Nanado has always said the battle is of the Lord.
So almost say you for some for free Eastern regional or ya chimfo ni bi. Say they are
of course.
They said that we are chini be Ghana, one the enemy o. Yempe when you crown, we are chini both parties. Yempe when you
and you know, and this you know, what me say, ye can MPC as me, bra. Sa constituent, you know, or one or two Abama or more, they know them say, yeah, Jimmy for ye, and they went so they one or my Jimmy so they one no. And they will never face them with questions, relevant questions. Constituency be a what Ghana be an answer for no Addo so charge Jimmy for no. NDC can never be an MP.
Yeah.
Opa Makano, do your cross check.
No correct.
Constituency be a what Ghana be an answer for no door so change a Jimmy for no. NDC don't win seat there.
No, they can't.
They can't.
Entina,
Uko Keta. Uko one we are now as some not could you be but the tear so it is what it is. Minim say nyamu nyina na moya NDC for the wo de wo Keta mini NDC for na ekasa. Side
asama fie kan no kuro se ukọ nkuro eni nkuro ase na se wo pan NDC ne ahu na apart from money des no se wo pe common citizen NDC ne a fie a aya basabasa na you see the Mahama flag Mahama poster
who pen this in here Kenyan Sasem who there who come baby na o pese who say my beto NDC for ma Kenyan Sasem never no reaction ahona who be who say ahanye enti Keta ama NDC abegina parliament age Keta see defense who sika ko di Keta for my din MPP by ya mo say one man miss and I be see defense my
na I for na we na aba no 2020
and then make can until I see baby give me for the door so miss until make can
I don't know what is wrong.
What the Opa making checking every all the 3 regions no make you almost say they pro NDC no. They are the most poverty driven regions in Ghana.
That's facts.
Region bio you know nimsa me pro NDC biano ye kan hia boto Ghana e ho na fi.
Yeah.
Midaminianum Central Region I say. In fact, before no more ho and no ye kind of moka ho. Omo ye o madwen say ye be swingi normal kakra no. On do omo ba ha kakra na ye kakra na ya no ma be say ne kakra. Look at Central Region now.
Yeah.
What? Yeah.
And say we boy ya wo we de bia meka na asem de example na busuafo mfa nchem. De minim say eyewu nkwa asem. Nye se me kai mo ya. Sa say 30 man south today.
Guy no. Yeah.
Guy no. And you say see ana, e say du nkete ka say na ye boa no. Wo he. Ebusuafo mo ye de.
Oh, if you nyamishra what minia.
Bra. Me da bia asem we me kai. Me I was
on the head say omunye no outside the box thinkers. I hope that is not an insult. I hope say that is clean.
Omunye badwemba ye kan
omun dwene say there be ade akura make okan na obi find bibia or the better me too there be ohun ka o de ma me nkoka anya twi o mbete se maka you know intino it come back to what you were saying. Please continue.
Onse nyansani bia no obekasa ntina mpanifo se dwene ansa wakasa asema meka we so beka sei ebeye sei won wusi na ye wo 3 months wa bekasa but ye nua no mo de ai so wo tu nsufin ato agu wo ye nhwe ba bia ekogu wo ba ya no wasi no ma wie nsufin no to agu a wo sa akɔhwe ba bia ekogu se ho ya na se ho ye twia wo just like that no mabeto. And like I was saying, from 1992, Bepim ne and Crawford no munni or Muankasa internal election results, no munni da ho, no maba benya general election. Now, the entire many abri watch a chuchi kataso ne say, Papa Penny baby uncle, what do they and Penny for say, or Penny 3 years kuma, and think ye konyansa who are training a penyansa. Ye try a ninang ye fetch a chuchi kata, and Kawu Chama, ye bet boss a papa mpacho. Ye penchire mu e wo nyansade hu nanso wo na wo abro no wo kire kwan a ye mfa so embo oman no se de ye de kon ye ni case bia enti nkaka kire o mo se krache yawe ye ntena se asomdwe mu no wo se da bi papa panyo wo na wo tie se wo ye lawyer na me kan se law no ye 80% nyansa 20% ye written.
Yeah.
And you may know the constitution at heart, by heart.
But to apply it would be
Application
the issue.
is different. A one if you answer,
Yeah.
if you answer, a one I application no echo.
Yeah.
And the other brown one cassa from Peru, Sadian yet. Now, 2 or more. Me say, ye case be ye call lawyer hono. Lawyer no was mon common crentum, ye be a some no no. Or some lawyer and catches away out of court settlement. Enti moma ye nen nkrofo ne lawyer ne nkoka. Ye kan o moti ase a case die.
For food stamps to come and insult the vice president. We watch her sit in Alaska, to come and destroy the sitting vice president. So Sakwasi Freeman, Yembisa say, how far for market? Sometimes I don't want to give some of these non-entities power for them to feel say, oh, fellas, I don't want to do that, but sometimes they need to be mentioned for people to know, say, these are the demonic sons of Jezebel that they have been what? They have been anointed with evil. When they open their mouth, it is vile, evil. And they have two more appetite into umbu penny, koda, nyame, no. This is what they did. And I'm expecting the foolish Dr. Ren, the all host of them, including the fakes of nutrition or my pampas of one. I want them to comment. Because according to them, the dollar coming down was the thing to show that you were a good government.
That's right.
Now we have done that. Are they now going to sit in those cubicles they have? Are they now going to sit in those Tebe houses they live inside? Those shallow places they live and don't read and learn, to come and now say Dr. Baumia and Nanado, we are sorry for insulting you, a finance minister in your team. We are sorry for throwing you under the bus. Are they going to do that? No, they won't. You know why? Because they don't think, they are not smart. Number 2, they don't read. Anything that is positive, they see it as negative because they were born out of nonsense, pain, and bitterness. Utie, woman, mamma, woman, papa, no, don't need and tell me they will one. Ain't in the bitterness, no, the time or papa, or mamma, no, and the didn't the moon, so because of crown, yeah. Now, Sebi, chairman, ye probi, I'm an ebidi di baumi atemwa. And can say stupid girl, what can you read there, right?
I know.
What can you read? What do you even know about economics? Like when we talk about the economy, what do you even understand about the economy? You don't know. Social media for and these people were talking. Chairman, and then may the record be ba Fatu Homami. I want you to bring the CD to dollar depreciation. The aye and sabri, you know, Mr. Wemafo. Mene wo be magic do aha. Okay? Our listeners who are listening, share the page. Yeah, be magic do aha. Mr.